Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike. The SmartDevil company sent me this heater to try out. This is a SmartDevil portable electric space heater. It oscillates 70 degrees. It's a mini portable heater. It's a ceramic heater that can produce heat in 3 seconds with the new PTC ceramic heating technology. So let's open this and take a look at it. See how it works. Okay, right here we see the user manual. As you can see, it's a nice portable size here. The back has a nice carrying handle. You hear that click? That is a safety feature. If it tips over, the heater will shut off automatically. So that's very nice. Here in the back, you have your power on-off switch. Right here is your filter. This filter, you can just take it out and clean it. Put it back. Okay, so let's plug this in and see how it works. Okay, here is our SmartDevil portable space heater. And one thing I like about it, it has a nice long cord so you can reach your outlet. Okay, we're going to turn our power switch on in the back and our switch on top. I'm feeling instant heat. Let's try our oscillating feature. It oscillates 70 degrees left and right. Wow, it puts out some really good heat. I'm impressed. Let's try the different modes. Okay, this is the low mode, which would use 800 watt, high 1500 watt. And then there should be a fan only mode here. Now on fan only, we just have cool air blowing. So that's nice. You can even use this in the summertime. Put it on top of your desk. Have some nice cool air. Push the mode button again and you'll have heat. So when you have it on cool air mode, you'll notice there's a blue light on the bottom. And when you have it on heat, it changes to red. So that's very nice.